Anyone else get excited about drawer organizing? I'll show you my drawers if you show me yours. The Amazon drawer organizers came in, so I was able to organize the sewing machine drawer I planned on and a couple of drawers in our bathroom vanity. Let's take a look and see what they look like, the befores and the afters. The sewing machine drawer had needles, thimbles, scissors, and whatnot thrown together and not separated with like-to-like things. The Amazon drawer dividers made it so much simpler to put those together. Here's the before and after. This is one of the drawers in our vanity. It tends to hold our toothbrushes, toothpaste, and then some of my husband's razors and grooming tools. So we are going to make it look a lot prettier and compartmentalize. Those are his eye drops that he has used after his eye surgery. And I just wanted to show you they do have the little rubber feet on the bottom to keep them from sliding. And I will tell you, the first batch that I got, I don't think I saw that they had those. And so some other drawers I have are missing those. But for this order, I figured it out and it works better. So definitely look for those if you order them. And you'll see it's not just straightforward. You got to play around with it a little bit. And in this scenario, I do bring in a smaller little piece that holds the little pieces to his clippers and everything. And now I'm just trying to figure out how can I fit all those razors in this one little tray. I do figure it out. And we'll put those towards the back. Almost done. And here is the before, quite disorganized, and the after, quite compartmentalized. I'm very happy with how this turned out. So this is somewhat my drawer, and I'm going to move some of this dental stuff over to the drawer I just organized. Hair bands, I do use these. Some tinctures. I like them easy where I can grab them. Some muscle cream. Miscellaneous. We'll see how much we need. I organized pills. I did try to compartmentalize. I don't need all of that. I'll get rid of one. I don't need this many in here. And I just got a matchbook holder on the wall. I'll show you. This is the wall match holder. And goes to my sweet little bathtub area. Let's see if this will work. This one's sides are a little bit higher. Let me keep that. Let me clean it out. This is for candles, and I do burn candles here, but I'm going to put them, I think, by my matches. Pill cutter can go somewhere else. Okay. Allergy meds, over the counter. And I only take those when I need to. They're not automatically in here with my vitamins. Let's try. Try the smaller size. Let's do that. So that's muscle. Do this. I don't need both of those. It's not working well. Oh gosh. At this point, things are not fitting the way I wanted them to. So it is all trial and error. And it's just playing with the puzzle, basically. So I try a couple of different things in a couple of different sizes. So actually, this is one of the things I like about this Amazon package is it gives you enough of each to have a little bit of variety to make it all fit. So here on the left is the before and on the right is the after. At the beginning of this video, I said I would show you my drawers, and you've seen them now. So thanks for coming along. Give me a thumbs up if you would, please. And as my dad always closed his phone calls, bye for now. Have a great rest of your day.